In my village, access to clean water is difficult. It comes from boreholes or treating rainwater. I grew up knowing water is life, so it is our priority to ensure access to clean drinking water and also clean water for cooking, keeping plants or fishing, as we have been doing for the past years in cooperation with Slovenia.